I'm recording this now.
I barely see it.
Okay, I need Kevin Sheffer, Andrew Sanders, and Chance Brimmeyer to come to the floor.
Oh, I thought it was Chance Taylor. That would have been
It's
awesome.
that Chance.
Brimmeyer.
I know that Chance. Following him.
Andrew here.
Yeah, I know you should meet my best friend, Chance Taylor.
Not here today. Mr. Poling stepped in here once. Okay?
Oh, my book.
Okay, so here's your question, Callie.
I don't know who I got.
Which Hempstead student recently bowled a 300 game? Is it A, Kevin Sheffer? So go behind the appropriate box. It's the other way. Yeah. B, Andrew Sanders, Mr. Poling stepping in for him. Or C, Chance Brimmeyer. So which student recently bowled a 300 perfect game? She's saying B, Andrew Sanders. Is she correct? Yes, she is. So no pie in Callie's face. She gets a certificate. And you can pick your pie up at the end of the day. All right, thanks, Chance, and again, Callie.
Okay, so what's going on is if they get the person wrong, they get pie in the face. If they get it right, well, they get a pie. We'll see what Doug Saggs gets.
Okay, I need Kyle Beasy, Luanna Gerdeman, and Connor Smith-Hankel to come down.
This is Connor. I have to record this and I'm posting this thing on Facebook.
Angel, you catching it?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is gonna be on Facebook.
I'm gonna look up your Facebook page.
Well, at this rate, with so many students absent, we'll have to cancel school on Monday.
Don't. That one I'm recording.
Okay, next question is, which student will soon be playing the cello at Carnegie Hall?
This
Is
will
it
be.
A, Kyle Beasy, B, Luanna Gerdeman, or C, Connor Smith-Hankel?
Go see, go see, go see. See.
Alright, so this is Doug's answer. C,
Oh, he got it wrong. Oh.
and the correct answer is A.
The answer was A for
Yes.
cello play.
Carnegie Hall. Anybody want to throw a pie in his face? Yeah. Go ahead, Connor. Actually, I didn't talk in class
Recall the foul holder.
I'm not getting gone up.
Mike.
Now you can have Monday off.
The next person is Owen Peter. Come on, Owen. I need Molly Sabatka, Casey Link, and Wendy Mina to come to the floor.
Alright. We're missing one. Oh, there he is.
Okay, here we go. Owen. Owen, which student was one of 1,000 students to win the Iowa History Writing Contest? So I think that out of 1,000, is that the way it works? She was, he or she, sorry, Owen. Did you catch that hint? Okay. One, an Iowa History Writing Contest. Okay, is it A, Wendy, B, Casey, C, or Molly?
Hey! Another pie!
Jinx.
You want me soda?
I'm in the fire.
Jinx knock on bleachers.
I'm not getting a soda.
Yes, you are.
I wish I could zoom in. This would have been awesome to do a close-up. I can't do close-up.
Can you zoom in?
No, I tried.
Next up is Corey Feltus.
So
We
fun.
need JJ Breitfelder, Dewey's son, and Josh Golson to come to the floor.
I thought it would have really funny if Josh Peterman was up there.
Oh, go ahead and wear it, JJ. It's awesome.
I mean, or whatever
Be proud.
Josh's name is.
All right, Corey. This is your question. Here comes the king once again. It's awesome.
King. The homecoming king.
I know.
Of course. Woo! There you go, King.
It might not be a homecoming question.
All right, which student recently aced the ACT exam?
That's Julie.
Is it A, JJ Breitfelder, B, Dewey's son, or C, Josh Golson?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Julie.
I read that article.
I know, it's
Don't
Julie.
bring him on
He's
the-
listening to the crowd, and you're going to say B, Dewey's
Oh.
son.
You got it right.
All right, awesome. Giving away another pie. Thanks, guys.
Thinking to me.
Sorry.
How much food?
All right, Megan's next.
Okay,
I
this.
need Maddie Ashton, Devin Stever, and Allison Baird to come to the floor.
Random quiz again.
No one we know.
So far, 2 pies out of
All right, here's your question.
6
Which
kids, I
student
believe.
has recently signed a D1 soccer scholarship to UNI? Is it A, Maddie Ashton, B, Devin Stever, or C, Allison Bitter?
Just guess.
Hey!
Why are we going to get these kids to read the newspaper?
The person is up.
Hey! Man.
I need an answer.
Hey!
Your answer is B, Devin Stever.
Another
C,
pie!
Allison Bitter.
You would have been wrong.
I know.
You would have been pie. You would have been pie.
Yeah?
And I would have left my ass off.
And I would beating you up.
No, don't bring me up.
Oh. Make that 3 out of 6 kids, so we have 1 more kid to either get pied or get a
You
pie.
have to give another one of those pies away. Ryan.
Let's see what
We
Ryan
don't need
gets.
any people for this. Maybe the hardest question. Okay? How many teachers at Hempstead have a master's degree?
Oh. This one's a pie.
But you have a 33% chance. Is it A, 52 teachers? Well, it's teachers and faculty members, okay? So it's both. Okay, so it fits. All right, so A, 52, B, 75, or C, 28?
Hey!